Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the innovative IKnowGadgets Firefly Filament Dryer. If you want to improve the quality of your prints and ensure smooth filament flow, then keep watching. Introducing the IKnowGadgets Firefly Filament Dryer, a game changer in the world of 3D printing. This filament drying device is not only equipped with advanced features, but also offers remote control through the Tuya Smart app. With the Firefly, you can now monitor and control the drying process of your filament anytime and anywhere. The Firefly's hanging filament holder design is a breakthrough innovation. It reduces resistance during rotation, resulting in even temperature distribution and thorough drying. Say goodbye to printing material jams and hello to smoother material flow, ensuring optimal printing quality. The IKnowGadgets Firefly Filament Dryer is a must-have tool for any 3D printing enthusiast. With its smart features, remote control capabilities, and innovative design, it guarantees optimal printing quality, smoother material flow, and convenience at your fingertips. Check the link in the description below to buy the IKnowGadgets Firefly Filament Dryer and take your 3D printing experience to the next level.